I'm about to open up the T-Apex, which is designed by Enhanced Power. And one of the coolest parts about this is that this came from overseas and it showed up in about 5 days. You're looking at real easy delivery time, and we're looking at a product that we're gonna be using to develop greater speed, greater acceleration, potentially greater deceleration. And we're gonna use this with our on-site athletes. We're gonna use this with some of our athletes that are gonna be training for combine work, that are gonna be training for their pro days. So we're trying to get elite level football players, elite level soccer players, elite level lacrosse players, anyone who has locomotion in their sport to be a little bit faster. So I'm incredibly excited to open up this Apex, see what we've got, and then try to put this to work. Okay, so we've got it unpackaged. First thing that I noticed is this foam is freaking incredible. It's super, super dense, extremely protective. And I think that's one of the big concerns I had. It's coming from overseas. It's gonna be traveling a long way. We've gotta make sure that the product is safe. We've gotta make sure that this high quality product that we wanna use to get athletes from, let's say, the high school level into a Power 5 level as a football player, or that Power 5 level, we want them to get to the NFL. Okay, I wanna make sure the product's safe. This stuff is incredibly dense. It's perfectly packaged. Okay, so something like this right here, perfectly packaged inside here, very protected. And this is gonna be the power source right here, okay? This is gonna be the setup here that's going to link into the cube. The cube is super, super protected. So this is a computer right here. It's super protected by the foam packaging here, which sat on top, which then engulfed the entire system. So we're looking at the computer system, we're looking at the actual machine, then we're looking at the power source. We get the belt for actual sprinting, and then we get the load-bearing aspect on the back that's gonna help us with the weight to maintain. And the cool part too, before we even unbox this or before we even built this out, you can see here with the carrying case, okay? All of this easily protected, super easy to travel with. Super easy. It's almost like a briefcase, right? It's almost like something that you'd see when we're traveling in the airport. So we got this Apex unboxed from Enhanced Power. I can't wait to start to play around with this, build this out, show you guys how you can use it, how you can get your athletes to go from level A all the way up to that top level so that they can become freaks. Thank you to Enhanced Power. Thank you guys to Apex. We can't wait to play with this, build it out, and get our athletes running a lot faster.